everybody, today we have Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Yoga Gen 6. It's an Intel Core i7 11th gen laptop. This one has 4K screen resolution, very nice laptop. Let's take it apart, let's see what we can replace, fix or upgrade. Start with bottom screws. Oh, don't forget to take out the pen. Now we have to separate the bottom case from the palmrest. Find the gap where you can put your tool. And use the plastic tool, don't use the metal one or you will scratch your parts. So find the gap and pry off the bottom case. Here we have the part number. Now we have access to all the internal components. Start with disconnecting the battery. In order to disconnect it, you have to take it out. Okay, now we can lift the battery. Here we have the part number. So if your battery is swollen or doesn't hold the charge, you can replace it. Now we can access our SSD storage. So unscrew this cover and underneath we have our NVMe SSD drive. So if your laptop doesn't boot or you would like to upgrade to the bigger one, this is how you can do it. Now we can take out our cooling. So if your fan is making grinding noise or the fan doesn't spin, you can replace it. Be careful, don't bend the heatsink, it won't work if you do that. Disconnect it from the motherboard. Okay, that's our fan heatsink. Here we have the part number. Now let's disconnect our speakers. Unplug it from the motherboard. And unscrew both screws for the speaker. And for the other one as well. And these are our speakers. Here we have the part number. So if your speakers are making bad noise, you can replace them. Now let's unplug all the remaining cables from the motherboard. That's our Wi-Fi antenna. Here, in order to unplug this cable, you have to lift this retaining clip, and now you can unplug it. Same on the opposite side. Okay. Now let's take out all the screws that remain of the logic board. Okay, that's how you take out your motherboard. Here we have part numbers. The processor is soldered on the motherboard, you cannot replace it. If it doesn't work, you have to replace the whole motherboard. Now let's unplug our screen assembly. So unscrew all the screws for the hinges. Now unfold the keyboard touchpad assembly, and you can disconnect it from the screen. Okay, so that's how we disconnect it. That's our keyboard touchpad assembly. Comes usually with the Palmrest. Here we have the part number. If you are looking for parts, check gatlaptopparts.com. As you can see, the keyboard is held by these tiny screws, so you could take it out if you want to replace just the keyboard. The same with the touchpad. If you want to replace just the touchpad, take out these screws and then you can replace it. But usually sold in one piece. And that's our 4K screen assembly. Usually sold in one piece. It's very fragile. I would advise to not to take it out from the cover. Better look for the whole screen. And here we have the part numbers on the video cable. Check on both. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.